Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart French Classic Cookware Set. It's made out of Tri-Ply stainless steel. It's very sturdy and it works very efficiently. This is the cookware that I have at home and I use, and it's really great. This set happens to be 13 pieces and it comes with a lot of items that are going to be used every day in your cooking. So first you'll notice there's several saucepans that's here and here. There's also a sauté pan right here. And then this is a nice size too. It has a helper handle on the side, help you to lift and carry it around your kitchen. This is your smaller skillet. I love to use this for things like making eggs or sauteing small batches of onions, that type of thing, or even using it for roasting potatoes. And then this is your larger skillet here. It's a nice generous size. This cookware goes from the tabletop to the oven to the stove top, and I actually use this cookware often right on my grill outside because it works really efficiently, and I like to cook. If I'm using my grill, I like to cook my entire meal on the grill, so that's a really nice added benefit. So let's look at one of the individual pieces. This happens to be the skillet, which I mentioned, has a really beautifully sloped cast handle. It's really solid. It's riveted on, you can see here, and also here. It stays cool to the touch. Just remember that whenever you're using any type of cookware, the bottom portion of the pan here, the actual flat part, should be the size burner that you put it on. And because if you put it on like this small pan on a big burner and the heat is radiating directly up into it, your handle of this piece will get hot, definitely. And you'll also notice the way it's shaped. It has a nice sloped side, so it's great for sauteing. The other thing is, I mentioned it's tri-ply, so it's stainless on the inside, stainless on the outside, and then the core, the inside where you can't see, is aluminum, and that's really great for excellent heat conduction. So you'll never get any hot spots and you'll cook your food super evenly. And then the other items that come with your set, this is your more like a, some people like to call it maybe a Dutch oven or a large multi-pot or multi-purpose pot. I like this because it's really great to do like small batches of stews or sauces. And then you can do your like tomato sauce in here and then use your large stock pot and your pasta insert to make the pasta portion of your dish. So this is a really great piece. It's really nice too because you can put your pasta right in here, fill it up with water, and then when it's time to drain, you can lift it really slowly and it'll drain right into the pot. But this pasta insert can also be used for other things such as like steaming corn or large artichokes or even doing some type of seafood boil. The other thing too is that this piece that covers the saute also is the cover for your steamer insert and then also for the full pot, just so you know. The pieces are all dishwasher safe. They're really easy to clean and maintain. They're super efficient to use. And this set comes with all of the things that you need to get cooking in your kitchen.